Want refunds for mobile games in 2026? Here's a 60-second full guide. Step 1 to 005. Check purchase history in the App Store or payment provider. Open the game's store page, tap your profile, then view purchase history. Step 2 to 018. Find the transaction and tap Report a Problem or Request Refund. Attach a brief reason, add screenshots of the charge, and select a category. Step 3 to 026. Contact the developer via the in-app support link if needed. Include order ID, device info, timestamps, and a clear refund reason. Step 4 to 034. If unresolved, escalate to the App Store support or payment provider. Track response times. Stores usually reply in 3 to 7 days. Save ticket numbers. Step 5 to 044. If denied, appeal with new evidence or request a chargeback as last resort. Final summary, 052. Gather receipts, screenshots, order IDs, and follow these steps. Call to action, 057. Open your store now, find the purchase, and request your refund today.